In today's video, we will be unboxing an 8Bitdo Special Edition controller. This was around $89. This is how they shipped it to me. They actually just put it in a bag, taped around that bag, and shipped it. So I don't know what condition it's in. I have cut the bottom so that I can pull it off. I don't know where the shipping label is. The shipping label was on the bottom. You can see that it is made by 8Bitdo. And I now remember what it was specifically because it has sat on my desk for so long that I've forgotten what it was. It is a 40th anniversary 2 controller. I got both, but then ended up selling one of them because I do not need 2 of these. It honestly looks beautiful. Like, I haven't even opened it yet. It looks great. These are my other 2 8Bitdo controllers, so this one will be added to the collection. Oh, there's tape. How does this open? I assume... Okay. Because there was stuff rattling around when I shook it. That is cool. What number do I have? Oh, that's cool. Here is the certificate of authenticity. It says mine is oh wait, no, I think that's just a translation of this. I don't know what number I have specifically. This has fallen out of its place. Here is the keychain and the nubs. Here is the controller in its box. It actually does look like leather. I assume it's pleather. It is absolutely pleather. It is not real leather. This cover on the back opens up to charge the controller. And all that is left inside of the box is the instructions. And a cable. Really nice red cable. I'm going to put this away for now. Here is the controller itself inside of its box. Holy shit, the thumbsticks are actually metal. I did not expect that. Let's get that peel. This thing is very glossy. Like, wow, that's metal. Wow. This thing's comfortable. And a piece of foam here. I assume that the ultimate receiver is in here. Yes. It's shorter. For reference, I have another receiver. I have the older universal receiver right here, and the new one is shorter. Not the new one, the one for the ultimate is shorter. Interesting. How does it click like that? When it lines up, it clicks. This thing is fucking beautiful. Holy crap. Especially when compared to the other ones that I have. Like, holy crap. Like that looks good. Anyways, that's kind of the end of this unboxing. Like, yeah. Bye. I assume the metal is why they included the rubber nubs, because that might get a little uncomfortable after a bit. I don't know. Honestly, doesn't seem too terrible. Yeah, they used actual pieces of metal. Again, bye.